In this video, I will show you how to change your shipping address on Pandabuy in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. So first, what you're going to want to do is come across to pandabuy.com, and if you're not ready, you want to go ahead and log into your account. So once you've gone ahead and logged into your account, what you're going to want to do is come to your profile icon, which is this little picture up here. Give this a click and then come down and click onto User Center. Next, what you want to do once you come across this page is come to this menu on the left hand side, and if you look down the page, you're going to see an option called Accounts. So go ahead and press onto this. And then from here, if you look at the top, you've got some different tabs, and you're going to want to click onto shipping address. Now what you can do, as you can see, I've currently not got a shipping address, so I'm going to go ahead and add that now. So what I've done, I've gone ahead and added my address. Of course, I've blurred this out for security reasons, and you can see if we look to the right, this is set as the default address. Now what you can do to change your shipping address is come up and click the Add Shipping Address button up here. And from here, you would go ahead and enter your new shipping address. And as you can see, I've now got two different addresses. So what I've done, of course, is blur these out again for security reasons, but all you want to do at this point to change your shipping address is set your new shipping address as the default. So if you come across to here, you want to click onto set default. And then what you can do if you want to is delete your old shipping address by coming across again to the right hand side and simply pressing the delete option from here. So as you can see, we've now only got one address. Now you can go ahead and delete it if you want to, but that's basically how to go ahead and change your shipping address on Pandabuy in 2023. So I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.